Vroom, vroom, vocabulary voyages. Let's visit 5 very vibrant V words today. The image explains the word vacancy as a job that is open and needs someone to do it. It shows a building with a sign that says vacancy, helping kids understand that places like schools or stores sometimes look for new people to work. The image explains the word vacancy as a room that no one is using. It shows an empty room with a sign that says vacancy, helping kids understand that sometimes places have space for someone to stay. The image explains the word vaccinate as giving a special medicine to protect people from getting sick. It shows a nurse giving a vaccine to a child while 2 other children watch, helping kids understand that vaccines keep us healthy. The image explains the word vacation as a time to take a trip or rest from work. It shows a happy girl with a backpack and sun hat, helping kids understand that vacation means fun and a break from routine. The image explains the word vaccine as a medicine that protects you from getting sick. It shows a doctor holding a syringe and smiling at 2 children, helping kids understand that vaccines keep us healthy. The image explains the word vacant as something that is empty or has no one there. It shows an empty chair with a sign, helping kids understand that vacant means no one is using it. And that's our victorious V journey. Keep these words handy and make your speech sparkle.
So, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join our journey.